Before I get started recording today's RowAlong adventure workout, I wanted to say that if you use the ErgData app, please update it because they have finally launched the real-time loop for everybody. It's out of beta and it's now for everyone to use. So fire up your ErgData app, connect your PM5 to the app, and then you will see down at the bottom there is a real-time option. So when you click on that, it'll connect to the hub, and that's it, connecting to the server for all the other people who are rowing. And then you are given a nice screen of all these little dots of other people who are on the real-time loop. Currently I have active users 21 from 9 different countries. So I'm going to join the real-time loop, and it says starting the workout. And you can see all these icons of people who are rowing away. So let's join in, and I can talk a little bit more about it while we're rowing. Now you can see everyone has all these little icons, have initials or letters or whatever for who they are, but you might see the odd one with numbers on it. They're just pacers, okay? So you'll get like a 2-minute pace, a 2.5-minute pace icon that you can go if you want to keep up with them. Or what you really want to be doing this for, I suppose, is you can just row along with a friend. So say you find someone that you want to row with, you could both log into the real-time loop and then row virtually side by side. And if you then add in some kind of chat function, maybe like the Discord app or something, you can then talk to each other while you're rowing as well. I'm going to stop here, see how many people overtake me while I'm stopped. There we go. So the point of this is, like, it's not like a race, it's a social thing, okay? So you can join the loop, then you can just row around this course with people. So you can see on the app itself, I've just been passed by someone else is going past me, and these are all people who are rowing in real time somewhere in the world. So I think Joe or J.O. who just passed me is from America. And so all these people. Now the app itself, it's got all the details on you want in terms of metrics and things. You've got your pace, you've got duration. The bottom left-hand corner will cycle between like distance and stroke rate and things, so keep an eye on them in case you're like, what am I doing? And then the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see like the overview of the map, which if you tap on it, then gives you where everybody else is on the course. Okay, so you can see I'm this big giant yellow arrow, and all the other white dots going around are people who are rowing in real time. So these are all these other people that you can just row around with. So it's like I say, it's a kind of like a social thing, okay? It's not really, this isn't really meant for kind of joining in and doing races and things. It's just so you can get away to row with other people, and you don't need to install some other kind of software and things. It's all within the ErgData app. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, do download, use whatever, the ErgData app, and hopefully you will then have some fun rowing on the real-time loop. Okay, so remember, ErgData available on iOS and Android, entirely free, and of course there's a whole load of other functions to this app. It's not just about real-time loop, so do take a look if you have a PM5 on your Concept2 and you haven't used it before. Anyway, I'm going to get on and I'm going to film my next RowAlong workout.